Hello, welcome. In this short video, let us look at the derivation of CRB and minimum variance unbiased estimator for the DC level when we have two correlated observations. Given the models x of 0 is equal to a plus w of 0, x of 1 is equal to a plus w of 1, where we have the noise vector w equal to w of 0 and w of 1 transpose, and it follows a normal distribution with mean equal to 0 and the covariance equal to c, where c is equal to 1 rho 1 multiplied by the variance sigma square. So this is the given covariance matrix of the noise vector, and obviously rho is the correlation coefficient. So our goal is to find the CRB for the estimator on the parameter A and also its minimum variance unbiased estimator. So to find the CRB, first we have to define the log likelihood function of the observations. So clearly the observation model can be written as x equal to 1 vector 1 multiplied by a plus w, where vector 1 is equal to 1 comma 1 transpose, and x is the vector of observations and w is already defined as the noise vector. So the log likelihood function will be logarithm of x given the parameter a is equal to logarithm of the probability distribution of the observation vector x given the parameter a, and so this is equal to logarithm of the product. This is equal to logarithm of 1 by 2 pi over 1 by 2 multiplied by determinant of the covariance matrix C over 1 by 2 multiplied by exponential of minus 1 by 2 x minus 1 the vector 1 multiplied by a transpose inverse of the covariance matrix multiplied by x minus 1a. So this is the log likelihood function. To find the CRB, we have to determine the negative expectation of second derivative with respect to parameter a of the log likelihood function. So first we have to define the first derivative, log of x, the log likelihood function of x given the parameter a. So this is equal to the derivative of this log likelihood function, which is logarithm of 1 by 2 pi power 1 by 2 determinant of the matrix C power 1 by 2 multiplied by the exponential of minus 1 by 2 x minus 1a trans C inverse x minus 1a. Derivative of 1 by logarithm of 1 by 2 pi power 1 by 2 is clearly 0, and the derivative of the determinant of the covariance matrix is also 0. So we have derivative of this exponent, which is minus the derivative of x minus 1a transpose C inverse x minus 1a, which is equal to, so this is equal to minus 1 by 2, the derivative of x transpose x is 0, and derivative of x transpose C inverse minus 1 the minus vector 1 multiplied by a is minus x transpose C inverse 1. And similarly for the third term, that is 1 transpose into C inverse x into a, the derivative is clearly minus 1 transpose C inverse into x. And finally for the quadratic term in a, we have plus 2 times a into 1 transpose C inverse 1. Now the second derivative, that is the second derivative with respect to a of the log likelihood function is equal to the derivative of this term, which is clearly minus 1 transpose C inverse 1. And therefore the Fisher information I of a is equal to minus expectation of the second derivative of the log likelihood function. which is clearly equal to 1 transpose C inverse 1. Therefore, the CRB on the variance of the estimator A hat is clearly bounded by 1 transpose C inverse 1. Now, since the covariance matrix C is given as sigma square multiplied by 1 rho 1, so inverse of the covariance matrix C inverse is equal to 1 by sigma square multiplied by 1 by determinant of this matrix is clearly equal to 1 minus rho square multiplied by the adjoint matrix, which is 1 minus rho and 1. So using this information, or this definition of C inverse, we have I of A is equal to 1 transpose into sigma square multiplied by 1 minus rho square 1 minus rho 1 into 1, the vector 1. So clearly this is equal to 1 by sigma square into 1 minus rho square multiplied by vector 1, the row vector 1, multiplied by the matrix 1 minus rho and 1 multiplied by the column vector of 1s. So upon simplification, this one clearly becomes 2 times 1 minus rho divided by sigma square into 1 minus rho square, which is clearly equal to 2 divided by sigma square into 1 plus rho. Therefore, the variance of the estimator A hat is bounded by sigma square into 1 plus rho over 2. So that is the CRB. And note that when the correlation rho is equal to 0, the variance of the estimator A hat is bounded by sigma square over 2, which is the usual bound for uncorrelated observations. Now let us look at the minimum variance unbiased estimator for the parameter A. Now, since we know that the observation model is x equal to vector 1 multiplied by A plus W, we know that the minimum variance unbiased estimator, MVU estimator, is written as 1 transpose multiplied by C inverse 1 whole inverse 1 transpose C inverse the vector x, vector of observations x. So this is the minimum variance unbiased estimator for a linear model with the covariance matrix C. We have just derived that the product 1 transpose C inverse 1 is equal to 2 divided by sigma square into 1 plus rho. So this is equal to 2 upon sigma square into 1 plus rho. So the inverse of this product is clearly equal to sigma square multiplied by 1 plus rho over 2. And then we have the transpose of vector 1, which is a row vector of 1s. And then we have the inverse of covariance matrix C, which is 1 by sigma square into 1 minus rho square multiplied by 1 minus rho and 1 multiplied by the observation vector x. So we can clearly see that sigma square cancels with the sigma square. 1 plus rho cancels with one of the factors in 1 minus rho square. So we are left with 1 by 2 times 1 minus rho multiplied by the product of the vector 1, that is row vector of 1s multiplied by 1 minus rho 1, that is adjoint matrix corresponding to covariance matrix C. And this product is clearly equal to 1 minus rho and 1 minus rho, that is we have 2 times 1 minus rho and 1 minus rho. It becomes a row vector. And then we have the observation vector x, which is x of 0 and x of 1. So the final sum is 1 by 2 times 1 minus rho multiplied by 1 minus rho into x of 0 plus 1 minus rho into x of 1. And this is clearly equal to x of 0 plus x of 1 upon 2. It is nothing but the sample mean of the observations x of 1 and x of 0. That is, A hat is equal to 1 by 2 summation n equal to 0 to 1 of x of n, which is the standard result for the DC level A given the observations x of n. Note that this is the minimum variance unbiased estimator that has a variance equal to the CRB. Thanks for watching.